Hey, Jacob here with Climbing Sutra. Today we're in North Las Vegas at our warehouse. We're going to give you a walkthrough, show you some of the processes, let you meet the people, show you how the donuts are made, man. Let's go check it out. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to drop a comment. All right, hey, when you come in, you'll walk into our front office here, headed by Carl Pantuso. He's been with the company for at least 10 years now. Every order that comes through Climbing Sutra, whether it's website, email, or phone, all go through Carl. 99% of all orders have gone through Carl in the last 10 years. That's how important Carl is to Climbing Sutra. So let's head this way, we'll go into shipping. Normally, it's a little bit more full, but then Friday is when the action happens. I think Heriberto stores stuff, hides stuff, and then when it comes to Friday, we ship everything on Friday. But if you were here tomorrow, this whole thing would be stacked to the ceiling. But this is where everything goes out. DHL for international, UPS for ground. And then, yeah, like right here, we have some nylon shorts that are going out. A couple bungees over here. We got a vest, martial arts. We got a couple of stock items for belts. Other than that, we are sold out of everything. Watch out for our general manager here, Delilah. She likes the shop foreman. Yeah, you tell him, Delilah. Get back to work, right? And then we head into our fitting room, our fitting department. Got our new wall up. I don't know if you guys saw the video on that. And oh yeah, back to the vest. Make sure you watch the video on how to measure yourself. And then from our fitting room, we're going to head into the warehouse. This is where everything, the magic happens. We start with the patterns here, and then we have all these, we call bodies, vest bodies, all stacking up right now. These are all orders. All the orders are turned around because 90% of these all have NDAs and we can't release all that information. That's why you're gonna maybe see some blur throughout the shop. That and you know, only the paranoid survive, so we don't want to show off any of our vendors either. So you can see it's big orders. We have about 4 weeks out, 5 weeks out lead time. They just keep on coming. We keep on going, all with humans. As little automation as possible. We like to keep humans doing as much as possible. And we have Kristen over here working on a martial arts. Of course, we can't show you the machine she's working on, trade secrets. And we have the hero harness, the quad belt. Quad belts become very popular. Ever since Rihanna wore it at the Super Bowl for a positioning belt, everybody's getting a quad belt for positioning belts now. Through the roof on quad belts. Kristen actually came from Cirque, which is good because having somebody in the industry joining us makes things a lot smoother transition. And she's been a definite benefit to the shop here. And then we'll head over here. Cool, and then we have Anita over here doing up the vest bodies right now. Anita has been here for 3 years with us now. She's working on the Spectra vests as we speak. Everybody's been here for mostly, Indra's been here 12, 13 years. Maybell's been here 12 years. Heriberto's been here almost 15 years. Lorena's been here for 11, 12 years. They just love the place apparently. And then we have the brake test machine. We haven't quite named her yet. I almost want to go with like a Big Bertha or Jeffrey or something ridiculous. Barbara. Right now we have the test machine set up with the Spectra harness. This one's a medium short, I believe. It has over 80 picks. Each pick has a minimum braking strength of 4,050 pounds. The back pick that we're going to break is going to go probably double that. You can catch that on the next video. We're going to be showing a brake test video here in the next series. It's the one and only, the Spectra vest, the best one on the market. This is our theater section. This is actually Todd's seat right here. He's not in today, but he's still head of design and development, still head of all the custom stuff. Todd's still in the shop. This is all theater. This is all Indra's section. Any show harness, Cirque harness, live theater, any stage show has had her hands on it. She does all theater shows, all theater harnesses, all Cirque, all over the world. She's unstoppable. She's the best in the business. Yeah, she's been here about 15 years now, and she's never leaving. And then we'll come over here. We have Maybell and Lorena working on vests right now, the cross straps and the vertical straps. And then it's all quality. There's a needle will start, we'll start with patterning, and then Needle will check the quality on that before she does hers, and then Kristen will check the quality on that before she does hers, and then Lorena will check the quality on that before she does hers, and then Roberto checks the quality on that before it comes to me, and then I check the quality before it gets in the box. So it goes through 4 or 5 different quality checks before it makes it to the box. And then we'll head over to the finishing table. Watch out for the GM. This is where all the components and all the finishing's done. All the leg straps need to be added in. The elastic needs to be done. The tips need to be burnt. This is where everything gets finished and tidied up. We'll do a quality check here, and we'll go to this table back over here. We'll do a quality check, and then we go to shipping, and I'll do the quality check. And we're gonna go over here to Roberto, who's doing leg straps right now. And he's head of production. It's on the stunt side for sure. Roberto's been here 17 years and still does the little stuff. He's the quality check 2 or 3 times throughout the process.
Hello.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Watch out for our GM. Now we're on to Delilah's office. She makes all the calls, she gets the fancy desks, and yeah, this is where the bags are made. This is where the curtains are made. This is where a lot of designing from Todd is done. Our scanning, our pattern printing, all the back end stuff is all done up here in this office. Okay, we got one more room to go. It's our inventory room, our stock room. When people order a custom vest, if they didn't watch the How Do You Measure Yourself Correctly video, we end up getting a lot of vests back because we guarantee a custom vest. You order a custom vest, we guarantee it. We'll keep on going until we make it right. So this is where some custom vests that didn't go right come to live. And believe it or not, they actually eventually land on somebody that will actually go right. There's a lot of people who have a lot of the same measurements as the people. That's our standard sizes got invented. But yeah, this is where they go to wait for stuff for the right fit. But normally, when we're not 4 or 5 weeks out, this thing is full of inventory. So if you order a standard size vest, we could just grab you a medium vest and ship it out within a day or 2. But right now, we're not at that point. We've been hit so much in the last 3 months that we have not been able to build up inventory. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what other kind of content or videos you'd like to see. And yeah, we'll be back.